Anti-boring house paint color combinations. The main attraction of a house can be omitted from the combination of house paint colors chosen. Various colors combined will provide a more stunning visual appearance than single-color house paint. For those of you who are planning to change the color of the wall paint in various corners of the house, you can look at the following color combinations. Who knows, this could be an inspiration. Light pink, light yellow, light blue, and other types of colors that are not intense are known as pastel colors. When combined, pastel colors blend well. Using a combination of 2 or 3 pastel colors, either as paint or a combination of paint and furniture, will give a more feminine appearance to your home. These colors create a soft and calming atmosphere in your home, so you feel even more homey. Oh yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the Iswa Design channel. Soft orange and turquoise are a unique color combination for those of you who want to brighten up the atmosphere of your room. This color combination brings a cheerful impression without being excessive because of the soft turquoise, which balances the orange. When combined, these two unique colors will give a positive feel, you know. There is a cheerful and enthusiastic impression from this combination of navy blue and grape purple. The atmosphere at home will not be boring. Even though they seem to clash, the combination of blue and yellow can make your residential interior look more attractive and dynamic. The blue color, which gives a dramatic impression, will look contrasting with the warm yellow color. Try using a combination of these two dynamic colors in your workspace, because yellow can improve memory abilities. Orange is a color that invites joy. When combined with white, these two colors will create a happy atmosphere. No need to worry about looking excessive, because the striking orange color will be neutralized by pure white. Do you want your home to feel cool and relaxed? You might try painting your bedroom walls cream and navy blue. The blue color that reflects the sea and the cream color that is identical to the color of beach sand will create a relaxed and pleasant atmosphere. Feels like I'm on holiday every day. Using gray as an interior design element really gives a modern and neutral impression. If you want to combine dark and light colors, you can combine dark gray with white. Even though it is a monochrome color, gray and white are also suitable as a combination of house paint colors with a Scandinavian concept. You can add wooden elements and green plants to your home decoration to make it more attractive. Maybe you are not too brave to choose red as a house paint color. However, try taking a peek at the inspiration for the combination of maroon and green paint colors, like in the picture above. For those of you who want to have a room with a mysterious feel, this combination of maroon and green is really suitable. If you use maroon as the wall color, try choosing furniture such as beds and chairs that are dark green. Oh yes, furniture made from velvet like the picture above can also add an elegant impression, you know. Choosing beige as house paint will never be wrong. Want to create a neutral concept? Minimalist, elegant, or even colorful? Very possible. For those of you who are bored with the same house paint colors, you can still use beige. But also try combining it with colorful and artsy decorations like the picture above. With these decorative touches, the feel of the house will definitely become livelier and appear bolder. There's more inspiration for house paint color combinations with a chic concept, with a hint of modern retro. The living room above uses a combination of pine green and beige on the walls, which turns out to be very suitable for combining with various furniture colors. Choose unique and cute furniture such as sofas and cushions, plus an orange fur carpet that will definitely make the living room more attractive. Don't forget the antique chandelier ornament that makes all eyes turn to it.